you've been banging your head against a wall, just stop, take a breath, and take a step backwards. Water, it finds its way around obstacles and through openings just by being itself. And you will too, if you trust your intuition and just breathe. So just do that for a moment. I'll send a light code for flow and clarity. So breathe these into your heart chakra, see them spreading through your aura. Take a deep breath in and just allow your energies to ground and settle, and see what steps your intuition gives you that perhaps you hadn't seen before. And just allow yourself then to flow. You can change without disappearing. Water can take on the shape of every container that holds it, and it's still water. You can adapt without losing your identity, without losing yourself. So allow yourself to flow and expand into new things. Te hihana mohoi, am pahahiana, te siana makohoi hahia, pataihiana haihiana, antia mohoi. If you're waiting for clarity and you feel stuck, then create motion, take a step. Even if that motion feels uncertain, motion creates movement, creates flow. Tohoi sahaihei na haihia mohoi, kahaihiana. Focusing on being measured, controlled or reasonable, then just recognize that rivers swell, lakes can break their shorelines, and water can carve stone, cause tremendous change when eventually that pressure gets to a certain point. And your energies will do that too, and that's okay. Stillness is power, but so is movement. You feel differently outdoors, not because you're in nature, but because you're of nature. Your breath syncs with the rhythm of the trees, and your energy is embodied with the flow of water. You're a being of energy, and it needs rhythm, not constant stimulation. Tahai nahampia makoa, nasiana mahai kahaihiana, tu amakahoi, tahai siana. Breathe that light code into your aura and breathe in the ambience of the burn and the scene behind me, and just have a nature hit right now.